In MCQ 7, we have a total of 4 elements here. They do not represent of the chemical symbol, so do not confuse S for sulfur and do not confuse P for phosphorus. Alright, the question has a requirement is that the atom will form an ion of a 2- charge. So this itself will suggest that the element should have probably reside in your group 6, and that means that there should be a total of 6 valence electrons. The 2- charge suggested that yes, accepted a total of 2 electrons to form a stable electronic configuration. So the ionic configuration is actually going at 288. So 288 is it after it has actually accepted 2 electrons. So if 288 is considered to be an anion that has a charge of 2-, in its atom stage here, we need to return the 2 electrons that was initially accepted to give us a 286. So again, this 6 is very much coincide with our group 6 idea that is considered to be having 6 valence electrons. So 286 itself, this will be the electron count in an atom, giving us a total of 16 electrons. And in an atom itself, the number of electrons must be the same as the number of protons. So we're looking at the 16 proton element. So for the 16 proton element, it should be, in the case here of Q, that represents 16 in its atomic number or its atomic mass. So the answer for 7 will be B.